Hi guys, how are we doing today? So we just did a little project here today, and what it is an egg Creighton fire starter. So essentially, what I've done is just taken some empty egg cartons, fill them full some sawdust and wax, and kind of get them going from there. But here, what I'll do is I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, they are, it's just an egg carton that's been cut up. And then as you can see here in this one, the sawdust in it is just a really fine sawdust. And then some of these other ones, that's more of a chainsaw sawdust, I guess, in that respect, just from cuts of a chainsaw, cutting lumber up. And all I did in this case here, I wasn't able to get like bricks of wax. Nobody seemed to have it, and every place was essentially closed that had it. I just got these tea candles. I took the wick out. What I did is a couple of them here, I did put a wick in them, like this one here. There is a wick in this one right there, as you can see there. Okay, but I just melted these on one of my Coleman stoves. Just, you know, had a pair of pliers and just poured everything in, and that's what made it hard. And you can see here it's leaked out, or it's leaked into the bottom of the the egg carton in that respect. But they work very, very well. You can just light the edge of it, put that in the bottom of your fire, put your kindling over top, a little bigger, a little bigger pieces of your wood, and just light the edge of it. That'll start burning in there, and it will burn for a long time. This with this wax in here with the sawdust, it does burn a very long time, and they're great for a fire starter. Very easy to make. I think it took me to do 12, like the whole carton itself. It took me, maybe 10 minutes, just long enough. I mean, if you've got a bigger pot to melt the wax, and if you had a brick as opposed to just these little tea lights, um, obviously it's going to be much, much better. But very, very easy to do. They're great fire starters, great to take camping with you. You can take like a half a dozen, if you're gone for a week, or take a dozen with you or whatever. They don't take up a whole lot of space. You can pack them in a bag, throw them in the back, and away you go. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do have any questions at all, don't hesitate to holler. Thanks.